No doubt, your liver is one of the vital organs of your body that take care of your overall health. It has a major role in several metabolic processes and helps remove toxins, break down nutrients, and produce bile. But what if your liver is permanently scarred or damaged? You might have heard about a one-day magic detox, a 7-day detox hack, or some herbal decoction, but the truth is, cirrhosis cannot be reversed with any of these home remedies. You need a holistic management of cirrhosis. But there is a good news for people with liver cirrhosis, that cirrhosis can be well managed with some vitamins alongside treatment. Yes, vitamins plays a very crucial role in the treatment of cirrhosis, which helps halt the progression and improve liver function. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhavi Vaish from Bharat Homeopathy. I have prolonged clinical experience and expertise in treating liver disorders with customized and personalized Bharat Homeopathic treatment. I have obtained excellent results for liver cirrhosis treatment. Alright, so now let's discuss what liver cirrhosis is. Liver cirrhosis is a chronic liver disease. It occurs when your liver gets severely scarred due to a long-term damage from alcohol abuse, hepatitis, and a fatty liver disease. Well, scarring of the healthy liver tissues, if not treated, turns into a liver failure, which is scarier and even raises other disease complications. Well, the liver cirrhosis is a permanent scarring of the liver. So, you need the right treatment alongside supplements to support better liver health. Let's discuss the best vitamins you can take to slow the progression of liver cirrhosis. The first vitamin is vitamin E. It is fat-soluble, powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E helps reduce oxidative stress by eliminating free radicals from the liver. Thus, it lowers inflammation and reduces the risk of liver damage. Vitamin E helps prevent fat accumulation in the liver, especially in case of steatohepatitis, an advanced stage of fatty liver disease characterized by inflammation and fat deposition in the liver, which can progress to liver cirrhosis. Well, some studies show that people who take an adequate amount of vitamin E daily experience less liver fat buildup and liver damage. Now, let's know how you can fulfill the vitamin E requirement with natural sources. You can consume sunflower seeds, almonds, spinach, and avocado. People with cirrhosis are often deficient in vitamin D. Even some studies shows up to 90% of the cirrhotic patients have low vitamin D levels, and that is linked to weaker bones, immune problems, and faster cirrhosis progression. Vitamin D helps reduce inflammation and scarring of the liver tissues. But the question is how a liver patient can fulfill the vitamin D requirement without being on a supplement. Well, there are some natural sources of vitamin D you can consume, like you can eat mushrooms, low-fat milk, 1 to 2 eggs, fortified cereals, or you can even sit under the sun for 20 to 30 minutes daily. The third liver health boosting vitamin is vitamin B complex, but especially vitamin B12. In liver cirrhosis, your liver becomes weak, which can lead to poor absorption of essential vitamins like vitamin B12, B1, and folate. This nutrient deficiency can cause fatigue, nerve damage, and cognitive problems. Vitamin B12 is very crucial for nerve function. If you have cirrhosis, it can even contribute to hepatic encephalopathy. So, how can we meet the daily vitamin B complex requirement? You can consume low-fat milk, 1 to 2 eggs, leafy greens, veggie salad, fortified cereals, and fruits like pomegranate, apple, guava, and berries, etc. Alright, so these are the best 3 vitamins for your better liver health, and that will help you with cirrhosis. I hope you found this video interesting. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks. Have a nice day.